everything I'm prepped this week. So first I made some homemade peanut butter by just grinding some of these Planters roasted peanuts. And then I roasted this pumpkin so that I had a carb for the week. And then I marinated this tempeh, which I marinated this overnight. So then the pumpkin was done, and look at the cute pumpkin hat. And this is how I store my pumpkin. And then the next day I air fried the tempeh. And these are apple cinnamon muddy buddies. And then I made this cashew and almond butter oat energy balls. And then with the leftover pumpkin, I made a pumpkin protein waffle batter. And then I pickled some cauliflower because I had a whole head of cauliflower. And then the next morning I made the pumpkin protein waffle. The waffle's bigger than the plate, lol, but it was kind of a fail. And then I marinated this another pound of tempeh because I love tempeh, and I roasted some chestnuts. These were actually so good. I flipped the tempeh and then the chestnuts were ready to go in, and the tempeh turned into more of like a jerky, but it was still really good. And these are the chestnuts peeled. So much work to peel them, but very worth it. And then I roasted some cauliflower and broccoli. And then with the broccoli stock, no waste here, I made broccoli stock fries. And these were incredible, truly incredible. Thank you for listening and watching.